Mexico by Saturday and Sunday. Let's go over to our coast. It's been rough enough. This is a picture from a little earlier. Kim actually snapping a picture of that rough ocean as the Atlantic has been kicking up waves of 8 to 10, 11 feet just offshore. Now we're watching the Gulf of Mexico next. Right now, this system is down in the southwest Caribbean, but Tropical Depression 16 will more than likely become Tropical Storm Nate tonight at some point, either tonight or overnight. We will watch this near the Yucatan as we get into tomorrow and Saturday, Gulf of Mexico, then by Sunday making its way to the North Gulf. And that's when we will have to keep a very close eye on it. Season ends November 30th. It'd just be nice to take this out in a quiet note, wouldn't it? Let's go ahead and take you down to the southwest Caribbean. There's our spin. This is Tropical Depression 16, now located at 12.5 north, 82.5 west. Winds currently sustained at 35. We've had higher gusts. It's moving to the northwest at 7 miles per hour. On that path, it's going to cross up over Nicaragua and Honduras. As it crosses some of the higher elevations, it might keep it from ramping up too fast, but it's going to produce upwards of 20 to 30 inches in parts of Nicaragua and Honduras. And again, overnight becoming a tropical storm. And notice by 1 o'clock Friday, it's coming up toward places like Cancun and COZUMEL, and then out into the central Gulf by Saturday afternoon. And then by Sunday, it's working its way up toward the Panhandle. Right now, the cone of uncertainty here, the spread, the models taking it basically from the Big Bend all the way back out toward the mouth of the Mississippi. And the models have shifted slightly west from earlier today, but still, because there's a spread toward the end, this is something we need to watch closely, and it will have a huge impact on what we see on Sunday. Either we see wind and some heavier rain, or we see some drier air and breezy conditions. Across the rest of the Atlantic, outside of some waves, nothing expected to develop in tropical nature. Back across South Florida, been watching a little upper level low pass to our south. Going to continue to roll towards South Florida overnight and into tomorrow, spreading moisture up. That will keep our rain chances elevated, and we will keep rain chances at 60 to 70% from tomorrow through Saturday and Sunday, and then we'll watch that slug of moisture come up with our system out in the Gulf. There it is, pushing most of the moisture over toward the Panhandle, parts of Mississippi, Alabama, and southeast Louisiana. Again, we'll have to stay tuned, and we will track that for you. East Ridge taking on Hagerty in our football game. Thursday night football game tomorrow at 7 p.m. Temperature 78. Unfortunately, we'll have breezy conditions and some showers around, so that might impact the game just a bit, especially our throwing game. Check out your 7-day forecast. It will be breezy on Sunday. It's just a matter of where Nate is at that point. Temperatures, by the way, going to be climbing back up close to 90 degrees in the extended period. Back with more information with your weather on the ones right now.